In antimicrobial drug is penicillin. Penicillin is beta anti-lactam antibiotic discovered in 1928 by Fleming from Penicillium notatum. Therapeutic use of penicillin. Penicillin Chrysogenium we obtain from this for therapeutic use of penicillin. This is a structure of penicillin. This is the classification natural and semi-synthetic, and its bacterial cell wall. We know that it's made of peptidoglycan chain, and it's cross-linked by the glycan. So it is made up of alternate N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. Among these, the glycan linkage cross linkage is formed, right? Now synthesis of peptidoglycan is enzyme require transpeptidase. For synthesis of peptidoglycan, transpeptidase required, which helps in cross linking. Now mechanism of action of penicillin is it's basically beta lactam antibiotic that covalently bond with the PBS, penicillin binding site that is present on the cell wall, cell surface of this bacteria, and it covalently bond with that, and it decreases the peptidoglycan synthesis. So due to this, the bactericidal effect shown because cell wall diminished and autolysis occur. Now the mechanism of resistance of bacteria to the antibiotic of penicillin is by inactivation of enzyme, inactivation of antibiotic by beta lactamase, modification of target PBS, impairment or penetrate this penicillin can't able to penetrate the drug, right? So the drug can't able to penetrate to its target site. This is PBP. Is penicillin binding protein. It is or antibiotic efflux. It does efflux of penicillin to outside. As we know that penicillin has less spectrum of activity than the cephalosporin, but it is seen that in gram negative bacteria they have layers, right? And they have very minute pores in them, so penicillin can't able to cross the membrane generally. So this R group of penicillin is made smaller, so or removed generally in order to penicillin penetrate into the gram negative cell as well and show its action. Now use of penicillin is meningitis, pneumonia and all. Pharmacokinetics is this and ADR is this.